The Cloudenergy 48V Lithium Golf Cart Battery is a durable and reliable power source designed with advanced A-grade cells that ensure high energy output and performance. Equipped with a built-in 250-ampere Bluetooth battery management system, it provides seamless monitoring and enhanced protection against potential electrical issues. This battery offers an impressive lifespan with over 6,000 deep cycles, outperforming traditional lead-acid batteries significantly. Included in the package is a high-performance 58.4-volt, 20-ampere lithium-ion fast charger, making it convenient for users to keep their golf carts powered efficiently. The 2.8-inch LCD, touchscreen, and additional accessories like a charger extension cable and mounting strap simplify the installation process. Cloudenergy offers exceptional customer service, providing technical support and fast feedback to ensure user satisfaction.